Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your taillight on a 2018 Honda Odyssey. We're going to start out by removing this bolt here using a Phillips screwdriver. And then this cladding here that covers up the back of the taillight, we're going to rotate it out. And I'm just going to use a plastic pry tool to get in behind it. You can use a screwdriver, but basically we're just going to pop this loose and then pull this side out. You can see these hooks that hook in to the taillight right here. And once you get that off, we're going to remove these two Phillips bolts. And then we're just going to get a hold of the taillight and pull out on it. And it doesn't come like directly back like most taillights. It kind of goes out towards the side of the car. You can see the clip right here that clips into this hole right there. And at this point, we're just going to unplug these wiring plugs. They're all basically the same. You just want to push in on the tabs on the end and pull out on them. And then your tail light's off. And if you want to remove any of these bulbs, just turn them counterclockwise and pull out, and you have access to your bulb. And that's it, guys. Tail light's out. Thanks for watching.